Parks Lumber Company has continuously served Lawrence and surrounding counties for over a century. No matter your building needs, our experienced staff will be with you every step of the way to ensure you receive the highest customer service and attention to detail you deserve. We guarantee you will see working with PLC is as easy as 1, 2, 3.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather today.
Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Kelli Rosson in for Ben Luna on this very warm and muggy start to our Tuesday. We're going to start off in the 70s, get quickly up into the 80s by about 11 a.m. and even reach the lower 90s this afternoon. You can see that here step by step on your Build Your Day forecast brought to you by Parks Lumber Company. And we are going to increase the storm chances heading into this afternoon as well, as high as 50% in the middle of the afternoon, and we could see some damaging winds, but overall we're not looking at a widespread severe weather outbreak for tomorrow, but a few storms may be on the stronger side that do swoop through later on this afternoon. So let's go ahead and play through what we can expect for the morning. Maybe a stray shower or so, but overall mainly dry, and it will be a little bit hazy in the morning as well, but hopefully this line of storms clears out that haze from a good chunk of the Tennessee Valley. And again, this is the line of storms we will be watching later on this afternoon, with the potential for some gusty winds, maybe even some small hail, but overall, again, not looking like a widespread severe weather event. By the time we get to closer to dinner time, we should see those storms pushing through Interstate 65 for the rest of the afternoon and evening, and we will continue to see that kind of die out as it continues to push southeastwards. Now for Wednesday morning, we could see a stray shower or so, but this continues to push off to our east. But then throughout the rest of your Wednesday, maybe a shower or storm as we progress throughout the afternoon, and mainly dry heading into your Wednesday night. So here's a breakdown of those rain chances. We'll give it a 50% chance for this afternoon as those storms continue to develop later on this morning and push closer to us within the next several hours. And then heading into Wednesday, we do drop the rain chances down even into Thursday, just a 20% chance, but then we're upping the chances for Friday as a frontal system will move through. We may even have to increase these rain chances, but we'll keep an eye on Friday's forecast for you. But the good news is Saturday we are looking mainly dry. Unfortunately, even with these storm chances over the next few days, we're still looking pretty hot and of course very humid, with air temperatures in the lower 90s for this afternoon. And then for Wednesday and Thursday, we're looking at air temperatures in the mid 90s with heat index values in the triple digits even into this afternoon before the storms arrive. So yes, it'll be very hot and humid, makes it pretty easy for those storms to spark off. But the good news is we start to cool off, and I mean slightly and relatively by the time we get to the weekend. But your high temperatures for this afternoon, again, the lower 90s for southern middle Tennessee and low to mid 90s for northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. Your low temperatures for tonight mainly into the lower 70s for southern middle Tennessee and into the mid 70s for northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. Here's your 7-day forecast. Like I said, afternoon storms expected for this afternoon, some gusty winds, so be sure to pay attention to the forecast and to the radar. We will keep you updated on any storms moving through later on this afternoon. And we're going to hold on to just isolated to scattered storm chances for Wednesday and Thursday, but then up it to a little bit more scattered, higher in coverage for Friday. And by the time we get to Friday, temperatures will start to kind of cool off, and I mean kind of, because we're looking at still a high temperature of 90 degrees, but we're going to see that humidity feel a little bit better heading into the weekend, even though those air temps still in the upper 80s. That's a check at your local weather forecast. Hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday.